Alright, what's the difference between a market maker and a market taker? Well, a market maker always adds liquidity, that means adding a bid or ask to the order book. A market taker always takes liquidity from the order book, so he executes a bid or ask. The only way to become a market maker is to place a limit order below or above the current ticker price, without having that order get executed immediately. To prevent immediate execution on limit orders, you should tick the post only box in your interface. It's a nice feature from BitMex for market makers to guarantee their maker fee. Market orders always take liquidity from the order books, so a market order is always a market taker. The difference is important because market makers receive a fee, while market takers pay a fee, both depending on the order size. The exact percentages can differ to every BitMex contract and can be looked up on the contract details section. Hey, hold on! Want to get 10% off trading fees on all your trades on BitMex? Simply use the link below. And if you choose to do so, you will also get limited access to content where I talk about how to gain more interest on your money on BitMex than you will ever be able to receive on your current savings account. And a list of things you can do to minimize risk and losses trading cryptocurrencies, which is definitely going to make you lose less money than before. For more details, check out my website masteringmargin.com.